This video will show you how to use the dial controls on your Smeg Double Oven. Firstly, begin by turning on the oven. To do this, press the right control dial. This will wake up the LCD screen. Next, select the function. Use the right control dial to toggle through the function selections. You can learn about the different functions available in the videos linked in the description. Once you've found the function you're looking for, select the temperature. To do this, press on the left control dial. The C will flash to indicate the temperature can be changed. Toggle left or right to select a higher or lower temperature. Once you have landed on the correct temperature, leave the screen to go idle. The C will stop flashing. Finally, a start symbol will appear in the top right-hand corner. Press the right control dial to begin heating up. Once the oven has reached temperature, the oven will proceed to make an audible alert to indicate food can now be placed into the oven. To turn off the oven or cancel the selected program, press and hold the right control dial for 4 seconds. The screen will return back to standby. It's possible to switch on the oven light to check the progress of food whilst cooking. Without pressing, simply flick the left dial clockwise. Repeat this process to turn the light off. To set a minute minder, press the left control dial twice. The first press will show the flashing C for altering the temperature. The second press will show flashing digits and the bell will appear on the display. Whilst the digits flash, toggle the dial to set the timer. At the end of the timer, the oven will make a loud, audible alert. It is also possible to set an end of cooking timer. This will switch the oven off after the selected length of time. To do this, select the function and temperature as before. Next, press the left control dial 3 times. A cook pot will show at the top of the screen. Use the dial to select the duration of cooking, and the timer will start counting down immediately. Once the allotted time has been reached, the oven will sound an audible alert and switch off. A delay timer is available on the Smeg Double Ovens too. This allows the oven to automatically switch on and off at a set time and for a set duration. To do this, set the oven up for use, selecting a function and a temperature. Then press the left control dial 3 times. Set the length of cooking time required. Press the left dial again. A cook pot with a cross will appear. Finally, set a time at which you require the oven to switch off. Press in to confirm the selected timings. The oven will remain off until it's ready to heat. To cancel this program, again, press and hold the right control dial for 4 seconds to return it back to standby. To operate the secondary oven, firstly select the cooking function required and then the temperature. The orange light will appear on the control panel to indicate that the oven is heating up. Once the oven has reached temperature, the light will turn off. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.